Elephants mourning their dead is one of the most touching and mysterious behaviors observed in the animal kingdom. When an elephant dies, other elephants often gather around the body. They touch the bones and the skull with their trunks and feet, gently caressing them. Sometimes they stay silent and still for hours. There are also reports of elephants trying to lift or revive the dead with their trunks or by nudging the body. Herd members may even cover the body with leaves, branches, and dirt, almost like a burial. What's remarkable is that elephants show this behavior not just for members of their own herd but even for unrelated elephants, and sometimes for humans who were close to them. They seem to recognize death, grieve, and honor it in ways that suggest a deep emotional world.